I'm Stephen Fuller, host and founder of the Huntin Grounds TV. We have proven that we are the next era of hunting show, and we want you to join our family.
You better be down. It's been, what, 15 years?
Finally, this guy came through and my heart pumping.
I was looking for my first Kansas bird, my first turkey.
I'm just happy with him. We had a good hunt this morning.
We had a nice little bug walk out in front of us.
That's another going back to practicing and
Definitely got it done. You feel pretty good about getting your first doe ever? Can't be any more blessed, and this is what it's all about.
Probably my biggest bow kill yet. Got quite a bit of meat to put in the freezer and got a nice rack to put on the wall.
In less than 3 years, we've gone to national television. We have a huge online viewership, and we want you to join our team. Check us out on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, and follow us and join our family of legacy hunters.